Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart, and what we've seen as a combination of Fed minutes, Fed news, is a move up to the 20-day simple moving average, or the middle Bollinger Band. Today's session and tomorrow's session, recall tomorrow is the jobs report, is going to determine one of two things. Either the small rally here off of 84.5, not all that small, it's about 50 handles, is simply a lower high. We're going to establish the 20-day simple moving average as resistance, head back down, break that low, and go down and test 1961. That's the bearish argument. Talk to any bear out there, they're looking at this pop as a lower high that's going to create lower lows. On the other side of the coin, there are those that are looking at this and saying, look, 1984 half is a higher low versus 61, which is a much higher low versus 1813 to 1815 back in October. We're back at the middle band. Bulls almost typically over time break through and above the middle band and head back up and establish new highs. That's been the game plan for the last 2 years. Because that's been the game plan for the last 2 years, that has to be given the nod as to what the most likely outcome of all of this is. A lot of it's going to be determined tomorrow because the jobs report reaction is likely to fuel one side or the other. That also favors the bulls. So what I'm looking for today is whether or not the bulls can close above the 20-day simple moving average. In the overnight trade, the 50-day exponential moving average, the red line, has held as support. Here's a 15-minute chart. Here's your 50-day. Held as support in the overnight. Here's that pop off of the Evans speech. Popped right up to the area of middle band. Retreated a little bit. 36.37 has been a big area for us. It peaked over and did as much as 41. R2 on second level resistance on the E-mini is 41.25. So stalling there was not all that surprising. We've retreated back below. So I'm personally waiting for the regular session. I have some longer term long positions that I was taking profits on last night that I'm going to keep letting them work as we head higher, hopefully. But if we stall in this area, I will be putting shorts on for the shorter term. And if we really stall into tomorrow, then you have to say that, overall, as long as we stay below the middle band, we're sell rallies. And if you're sell rallies, this is a 50-handle rally to sell. Lots going to be determined in literally the next 24 hours as I'm taping this at about 8:33 in the morning on Thursday. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning after the jobs report with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.